Wix editor tutorial complete upgraded guide. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use our Wix website editor for 100%, nothing hard. So let's get started. I'll show you all the features and a lot of different tips and tricks you can use with your Wix website. So in order to open it, we just simply need to click on edit site in the right top on our site dashboard, and in a few seconds we'll come to our editor page where we can interact with sections, elements, pages, and so on. So in order to do it in a correct way, I'll show you step by step of how can we interact with different objects. And as you can see in the top of the screen, we can see different options. We can switch between pages here. We can switch between different views from PC to like mobile, and it will help you to create responsive website. If you want to see how will it look like as for different devices, I recommend you to switch between two of different views. Probably you'll have to fix something or add something, or maybe you will have to change location of different elements. Also, we can see the link, we can undo and redo our actions, and we can zoom in or zoom out. Also, we have a couple of tools here like toolbar, layers, in order to interact with different stuff, and also we can search for different things. Sometimes it could be really helpful. So I recommend you to understand how to work with this top line menu. In the left side menu, we have a couple of options. Firstly, of course, we can add different elements, and we can find all the different groups: text, images, buttons, strip, decorative box, gallery, menu and anchor, contact and forms, video and music, interactive list, embed code, and so on. So if you want to add element, you just simply need to click on the necessary topic, find the necessary option, and then just simply drag and drop it somewhere you'd like to add. For example, to our header, we need to add this button, and after that we can easily interact with what we need. Also, we can add different sections. The same thing we can do by simply finding the necessary location, for example here, and by clicking on this button, but sometimes it could be also helpful to add it through these menu. So also we have a couple of topics: welcome page, about, team, contact, promotions, devices, subscribe, testimonials, client, store, and so on. And every single topic provides us a couple of different variants we can do. For example, for welcome page, we have like 5 different variants. What's really interesting is that we have option to add AI creator to our work. Let AI do the work for you, add a few details, and AI will create a unique ready to use section. So according to our description, it will add us section. So for example, we would like to create a variety of yoga styles, accept instructions, small classes, and in New York City. So let's try to use this generator, and we'll see how will it look like as for us. And as you can see, we have these 3 variants we can easily use. We can click and it will be automatically added to our website. So yeah. Also, we can add pages and menu from this page here. We can find all the structure. We can delete, copy, add sub pages from this page here. For example, I would like to delete the by page, and this is a way of how to interact with our structure. By deleting pages from here, they will be also automatically deleted from the top of the screen, from the header of the website. And yeah. Also, we can manage wall site design by clicking on this button here. We can customize color theme, add text theme, page background, manage, and also page transitions. In my case, it's really helpful to customize the wall template. We can change color palettes totally, so it will be pretty easy to customize the wall templates after just simply choosing. And also I recommend you to change a font pack like text theme. You can find the most suitable as for you. Let's click on this button to see other variants, and sometimes it could be really more suitable according to your purposes, according to your vision of how should it look like. And yeah. Also, we have add apps option where we can add different integrations. It depends on the website theme. For example, we can add marketing tools like ads, mobile analytics, SEO, engagement, site listings, email, and so on. Sell online, stores, shipping and delivery, sell buttons, online courses, and so on. If you want to add online courses, for example, we can see these Wix online programs, build and sell multi-step programs with Wix. So we can just simply click, for example, and then add it to our website. So nothing hard, you just simply need to follow these steps, and in a few seconds everything will be prepared and added to your website. For example, we have this program here, we can easily manage it and do something else. Also, we can find a media here where we uploaded our files, our social media links, our videos, and so on. And we have a CMS where we can add, like, generate as many pages as you need based on a single layout. So yeah, when everything is understood, we can start creating or start managing our content on our website, on our template. So every single website page was created from different sections, and in order to see, I suggest you to zoom out. As you can see, we have this section here, this section here, this section there, and so on. So we can easily delete or remove our section. We cannot delete this stuff because it was like installed part for our courses. Let's go to side menu, and I'd like to open the home. So yeah, let's go to this page. Here we can easily interact with every single section. For example, I would like to delete this one, I would like to delete this one, and let's say I'd like to add a page with a welcome, for example, like this. And we can also move them up, move them down, it depends on their position. And on the section, we can easily manage all the elements we have. So we have text, this description, this button, this rectangle. Also, we can add some other elements. For example, I would like to add one more button like this, and we can easily move them here. And in order to manage our elements, we just simply need to click on the necessary element to see what properties do we have. Themes, fonts, font size, we can make it bold, italic. For the button, for example, we can change text and icon, where will it link to, add the animation, add the design, layouts, and so on. So when you've customized your website, you can click on publish in the right top, and in a few seconds our website will be published to the internet. So it's definitely pretty easy to understand how Wix Website Builder or Website Editor works, and I think that this tutorial helped you and it made your life a little bit easier. So if it is, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.